So today I'm going to share with you a very good story, and this story can really change your mindset about the problems. Now you can understand the problem in a better way after listening this story. General Motors, a car manufacturing company. They received a written complaint. It was written there that your car has allergy with vanilla flavor, and it was a very strange complaint. Further, he mentioned that I go out every evening with my family and we are eating ice cream. And every evening we are eating different flavor of ice cream. But whenever I eat vanilla ice cream in my car with my family, I face the starting trouble in my car. I have been noticing for the last many days. So, your car has allergy with vanilla flavor. The company received a complaint, but they didn't take it seriously because there is no any certain connection between vanilla flavor and the car. But after few days, the company received a same complaint that your car has allergy with vanilla flavor ice cream. Now this was the prestige issue of the company. So they sent a very brilliant engineer to that man that evening. He also went with him to buy to eat the ice cream. So he went there, he stopped the car at ice cream parlor, he bought the chocolate flavor that evening and they ate together. There was no starting trouble in the car. 3 4 days they kept going, there was no starting trouble in the car. Fifth day they went there and the gentleman bought the vanilla flavor. They all were waiting in the car. The gentleman returned and they ate vanilla ice cream. But again, he faced the starting trouble in the car. This was a big shock for the engineer. He couldn't understand what is happening exactly. But he kept mum because the complainer was absolutely right. But the engineer was brilliant. He kept coming with him for a few days and he got the real problem. One evening he went there, he observed everything, and what he found there that vanilla ice cream was not the problem. The real problem was the timing. The time they were taking to buy the ice cream, this was the real problem. How? What he observed there were two corners. One was for vanilla ice cream and other corner was for different flavors. There was no rush on vanilla flavor, but there was huge rush for other flavors. So whenever this gentleman used to buy the ice cream from vanilla corner, he used to take only 5 to 10 minutes and he used to return to his car and he faced the starting trouble in his car. Why? Because the engine was not settling down. But on the other hand, when he used to buy the other flavor ice cream, there was huge rush there. He spent around 30 minutes there and engine got the time and engine settled down because the vapor lock was not working in the car. So the vanilla ice cream was not the problem, timing was the problem. The time they were taking to buy the ice cream was the problem. The moral of the story is a problem well understood is a problem half solved. Hi, my name is Manish Arora. I'm a life and business coach. If you are feeling stuck in your life and you're not able to cope up, you can book my online free personal consultation in which I'll guide you, coach you step by step to understand the problem in a better way and I'll certainly give you the solution. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Stay connected, take care, and keep growing. Thank you so much.